resemblance to Arab, Majestic. Linta Majestic said that he is half Pakistani. Oh wow, I will think of you when I buy Lahori fish and have Swedish. Oh, it's nice to know that, Majestic. That's why, it's like your face is like, I think it's a mixture. Yes, Sisi, I saw you. Thanks for the support, sis. I stand up. Ayan. Okay lang, Sisi Lai, kasi kung minsan naman, kasi pag araw, hindi naman ako gaano nakaka-support. Kasi pag may time naman ako, nag-LS ako. So, kung minsan pag gabi na, ayun, pag nakikita ko bago ako matulog, nakikita ko na mayroong naka-live, ganun, doon ako nagsusupport. I have never heard Arab. You never heard Arab? I mean your resemblance of the face, it's like from from Middle East, something like that. Do you speak Arabic, Majestic, or no? People always think I'm Latino. No. I always think that you are from Middle East, or it's like your face is from Jordan, something like that, because your skin is that's according to the photos you have on your short videos. You are white, and people from Jordan, they are white. I remember the other day, the video I uploaded, or during my premiere this afternoon, when we enter the Indian restaurant. It was funny though, because when my son went to pay our bill to the cashier, and the cashier asked what nationality we have. So my son told to the cashier that, well, guess. So the cashier said that my son is Chinese, I am Nepali, and my daughter is Pakistani. Just imagine, the mother is Nepali, the son is Chinese, and the daughter is Pakistani. Anyway, my husband is Spanish. But guys, when my daughter is in the school, they say that she's Indian, mostly because she has the skin of Indian. It's funny because my son is Chinese, I am Nepali, and my daughter is Pakistani. But it's not true, guys. That's not true. Yeah, yes, Majestic. My husband is Spanish. I have never heard Arab. People always think I'm Latino, Italian too. Okay. Ayan. Thank you so much sa harang mo, Sisilay. Linta, thank you so much. Ruby, thank you. Yes, I told you, Ruby, you remember that the cashier asked my son if what nationalities we have. And my son was laughing when he returned to our table, saying that we have different races. you know. And even when my children were still in primary school, they asked that my children were they thought that the father is not a Spanish, because they took the height of my husband and the form of the face, but the color of my skin and the color of my hair, they took from me. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ayan, si Majestic. Have to go now, but see you next one. Have to make a call. Okay, thank you so much, Majestic. I am going to end up now also. Always go to the sub for a ton. Always the sub for a ton. Okay. Good night, everyone. A new video upload tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much, Brodel. I am going to visit your channel tomorrow. Peace from Majestic. Ayan. So guys, I am going to end up